Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the upper function in Excel. This powerful tool allows you to effortlessly convert any text string into all capital letters, which is fantastic for standardizing data entry or making certain information stand out. We'll go over its simple syntax and explore why it's such a valuable asset for maintaining consistency and clarity across your spreadsheets. Get ready to transform your text with just a few clicks. Let's dive into the practical application of the upper function. To get started, simply select an empty cell where you want the uppercase text to appear. Type an equals sign, followed by upper and an opening parenthesis. Then, you can either click on the cell containing the text you wish to convert, or type the text directly within quotation marks. Close the parenthesis and press enter, and voila, your text will instantly be transformed into all capital letters. The true power of the upper function often shines when it's combined with other Excel functions. Imagine you have data with inconsistent spacing and capitalization. You could use trim to remove extra spaces, and then wrap that with an upper to standardize the capitalization, all in one formula. This approach is incredibly efficient for cleaning and preparing data, especially when you're dealing with large datasets or information pulled from different systems. It helps maintain a professional and uniform look. To make the most of the upper function, here are a few helpful tips. Firstly, remember that this function specifically targets letters, so numbers and special characters will remain exactly as they are. Secondly, once you've applied the function to one cell, you can easily drag the fill handle down to apply it to an entire column, saving you a significant amount of time. Finally, always take a moment to verify your cell references to ensure accuracy and avoid any unexpected results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.